In this video, I am going to show you how to install Cinema HD on your Firestick easily and quickly. First, turn on your Firestick and navigate to the home screen. From there, go to Settings, scroll to the right, and select My Fire TV. Next, click on Developer Options and ensure that Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. This setting allows you to install apps that are not available in the Amazon App Store, which is necessary for Cinema HD. Now, return to the home screen and search for the Downloader app. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open the Downloader app and enter the Cinema HD APK download link from a trusted source, then click Go to start the download. Once the download is complete, an installation prompt will appear. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. After that, click Open to launch Cinema HD. You can also find it in your Apps section for easy access. When you open the app for the first time, allow any necessary permissions, and you'll have access to a vast library of movies and TV shows. That's it. You've successfully installed Cinema HD on your Fire Stick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.